Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. Before we get on with the video, as we always do, we don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to not miss out on any video. So, let's start. In today's video, we are going to be learning the seasons. As we know, we have 4 seasons in a year, and each season is taking 3 months. As we all learned that we had 12 months in a year, so each season is taking 3 months. So, let's start with the pronunciation. Spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. So, what happens in spring? In spring, the trees start growing and the flowers are giving its blossoms, and it's mostly the best season for allergy because all the flowers and all the things are flying in the sky and it all makes us allergic. For example, me. I'm allergic in spring. In summer, it's mostly sunny. Fall or autumn, the tree leaves are falling down and usually the trees and the leaves are red in the season. And lastly, winter. Winter is the coldest season, as we all know. It usually snows, but of course there are countries which there is no snow in winter time. And the tree, as you can see here, there are no leaves and it's snowy. Winter is passing by until the spring. The trees are becoming the same as they are. And there is something I want to tell. For example, when Turkey is in summertime, Brazil is in winter time. So actually the seasons are changing depending on the location that you are. So if you are living in any of the seasons and any other country may not be in the same season as you are. So guys, thank you for listening to me and for watching this video until now. Please don't forget to like this video and give big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.